Hey everybody, this is Alan Hensley and this is video number 10 in my 10-part series on the 10 ways to prioritize how you save. Number 10 is just ensuring you've got steps 1 through 9 already taken care of, and if you still have money left over with each paycheck, this is a great time to open a brokerage account. Get some investments growing. It does not have to be in an IRA, it doesn't have to be in your 401k. This can be a taxable brokerage account that you're investing in for the long term. So the same objectives, maybe the same risk tolerance that you're doing with your other retirement accounts, you've got to figure out, what's this for? Of course, if you're saving for retirement, you can be a little bit riskier. If you're saving for a short-term goal, of course, we want to dial back the risk. Do some research, or of course, if you want to talk to a financial advisor, feel free to reach out, give me a call, put something on my calendar. I'm happy to answer any questions. So step number 10, open a brokerage account. Hopefully you found these videos interesting. If you have any additional questions, or maybe I forgot a step, let me know. Put a comment down below, send me a message, or like I said, give me a call, send me an email. I'm happy to talk. Thanks so much for watching these 10 videos. I hope you got a lot out of it. Have a great day.